The global environment organization, Worldwide Impact, today observed the world environment as part of the restoration of the ecosystem. Speaking on the occasion, CEO of Worldwide Impact, Dr. Brahmni W.B. Lingdor, made an ardent appeal for restoration of ecosystem. He said that there is an urgent need to rejuvenate the environment to ensure that the future generation do not suffer from environmental hazards. Dr. Lingdor said the world is facing various natural disasters due to melting of glaciers and the Himalayas because of global warming. He urged the global community to do its part to ensure a clean environment and work towards restoration of ecosystem that sustains each and life form, including human existence.
Greetings from London. This is Brahmni Lingdor, founder and CEO of Eco-Friend World. I want to wish you all a very happy World Environment Day 2021 on the theme Ecosystem Restoration. Today, the United Nations also starts its UN decade on ecosystem restoration for the next decade. And now is the time to restore the balance on Earth and secure the future of generations to come. So let's plant and restore Mother Earth while we can and fight this global pandemic, which is triggering millions of other viruses that are coming out from meltdown of glaciers in the Arctic, in the Antarctic, and also in the Himalayas. So as the planet warms up and global temperature rises to 1.5 or 2, more and more pathogens will be released. And the more interaction that happens between birds and bats and polar bears and other wildlife with humans, we will suffer the breadth of the consequences. Thank you so much and happy World Environment Day.
Press the red square.